Ladies and gentlemen, this is Finesse Your Fridge. I am your host, AJ Demofelix, the host with the mostest, 9-time heavyweight champ. Goddamn, I'm tipsy already. Holy shit. Anyways, here we are with a bonus episode just for you guys, because who doesn't love bonus night, man? So, here's a little bow chicka wow wow for your Wednesday. Let's go. Okay. Chicken's boring. Rice is boring. It's just three Filipinos eating Filipino food. So I'm going to spice that shit up for you. I've already pre-marinated some chicken. I hope I don't get this shit on my shirt. I'm not going to tell you what's in it. Just kidding, it's soy sauce, lemon, ginger, salt, pepper, garlic powder, I think. I don't know, I forgot. Let's use some old onion because I don't want to waste anything. And we're going to make some rice. Dude, where's your rice? Who else joined? Hello. Whoa, everybody's here. How's it going? Sorry, I just went live. Today I'm cooking rice and chicken. Always ask, ladies and gentlemen, what takes the longest to cook? Today it's going to be the chicken because it's a little frozen. So we're going to sear the chicken. We're going to cook the rice. I'm making coconut rice, by the way. And then I'm going to be using some banana with some caramelized sugar and some cereal. Because banana unana. I eat my cereal with banana unana. He's not even enjoying himself. This is a new camera guy, by the way. Okay, this is not sweet. This is high fiber. I don't want to cause diarrhea. The people on Instagram are asking me if I'm going to use the finger method for the rice. That's the only way to do it. How hungry are you guys? Very hungry? This entire bag? Oh shit, that's a lot. Oh shit, that's way too much. Let's put some of that back. No, fuck it, we're hungry. There's so many people watching. How do you cook chicken? Shut up, Eli, you're a chef. Oh, you know what would be fucked? If we don't have a can opener. Sorry, this is a right-handed can opener, and I'm left-handed, so that's why it's not working very well. We're gonna be here for a while. Fuck, we're gonna be here for a long while. Oh, why did I put the rice in right away? I'm so stupid. I wanna borrow this bowl. I don't know whose it is. You can tell the vodka's kicking in. So, who's all still watching? Alright. Let's throw this coconut milk in the bowl. / pot. You see my fat jiggle when I did that? Can you get the angles right from there? Okay, so ginger. AJ, how do you cut or take the skin off the ginger? You could use a knife, but you get a more precise cut if you just use a spoon and just shave it off. Just like that. A spoon's not just for eating, bro. You could use it to, peel ginger. Spooning is the most fun activity in the world. I like to be little spoon. I like to be caressed. You know what I mean? Just fucking hold me. Let me know you love me. Like, it's nothing better than that. So we're trimming up that ginger. Oh shit. That's it, show's over. Done nothing. Let's try this again. Sorry for wasting your ginger. Also, okay, the reason why I like to sing in my head for the most part, sometimes out loud, is not because I love music, obviously, but because I want to make love to the food. That's why I always sing like sex music to the food, right? Like I'll sing Usher, I'll sing Boyz II Men, I'll put a condom on just because I like to make love to the food. You're like, AJ, what the fuck are you doing with this banana? It's simple. We're gonna. Actually, I don't know if this banana is long enough. Oh yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. We're gonna cut it like this. Okay. Wow. Holy shit. Look at this olive oil, man. Wow. I went from fucking great value, cheap ass Walmart olive oil to, or I can't even say organic. This is too fancy. I gotta say the French one. Biologique. Let's get this pan hot. Let's get it real hot, actually. Oh, I don't want to turn the fan on. It's gonna get so loud. Ugh. No? Yes. Ready, 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 ready? Ready, ready, fucking ready? That's a soy sauce. Okay, noobs, when you're cooking sugar, low heat, constantly stir it. If you're not constantly stirring, you're gonna burn it. And it's gotta be dry. Don't let any water get into this thing. Otherwise it's fucked. Now, AJ, what the hell are you gonna do with this? Well, Tim, thanks for asking. I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna use 2. You don't really want to cut it. You really more like want to break it. Oh shit. It's our house. I keep it fairly clean. We're making kind of like a impromptu. Fuck, this shit's hard, dude. Oh my god, this is honestly, I'm not even gonna lie. This is like that sexy Spanish girl at the bar that just won't give you, like, she'll let you buy her a drink, and then she'll entertain you for like 5 minutes to, cause like you bought her a drink, but she's just not gonna give it up, dude. Like you gotta legit like split it piece by piece, and then maybe like 10 years later when you're already married, she'll come up to you and be like, hey, you wanna get me another drink? And then she'll give it up. But like, fuck, look at this. This is not splitting. That's good enough. Let's do a little flip. Cook it on both sides twice because it's a little big. Alright, this rice, this sauce is starting to simmer. So we'll throw the rice in there. Oh shit, that's not enough water. Throw a little more water in there. Taking like a million pictures. Actually, huh?
Taking quick pictures.
Alright, so this should be nice and oh my god, look at that. Look at that, I swear to god. High Five Chicken has nothing on this shit. But LA chicken always wins though. Don't fuck with LA chicken. We'll let that cook on this thing for another 5 minutes. We'll toss it in the oven and just let that magic happen. Actually, you know what we'll do? Since I have no reason to, I had no other use for this, I might as well just throw it in there. Why the hell not? Mix the shit around. Oh shit, it's melting. You see this? See this? See how it started to come together like that? That, my friends, is the beginning of caramel. We're getting to that important stage where I have to constantly watch over it. You know what that means? Chicken in the oven. Because I can't keep touching you anymore. Do this. The chicken is still as firm as my boner, so it's gonna take a little bit longer to cook. Maybe another 20 minutes in the oven or so. Out there. Oh. It's gonna look sexy as fuck. I just don't know how good it's gonna taste. Let's work on this caramel. You gotta take it on and off the heat. Add some heat, take it away, stir it up, put it back on, add some more heat, take it away, stir it up. That was a sex reference if you guys couldn't figure it out. And then, boom, we add this shit. Oh my god. And we'll just let this shit go. Okay, yeah, let's bake it too. Why the hell not? Oh my god. Oh, you know what I should have done? I should have added some ginger. Too late now. It's the worst part of the entire episode, man. Like, I hate waiting. I am so impatient. Anyone that knows me, like, you'll know if I want something, I want it, like, today. I hate waiting for this shit. Check on this shit. Rice ain't ready yet. You dare me?
The onions?
He dares you.
I ain't no left. Boy, I ain't no bitch. Oh my god. Okay, see how the juices are running clear? That is a very good sign. Oh. Hold on. I need new shorts. The banana. Oh, that's gonna be mushy. It's gonna be great. That's a lot of rice, man. This shit's just gonna melt in your mouth, man. Y'all bitches jealous? Peace.